Hello, my math independent study student. The objective for this video is subtracting rational expression with same denominator. Let's begin with this example. In this case, we try to find the differences of these two rational expressions. I highlight the denominator here so that you can see that these two fractions have the same denominator. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy down the denominator. We don't subtract the denominator. We go ahead and subtract the numerator. So copy the first numerator and put them inside the parentheses. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 3 subtract x squared minus 4x minus 5. Okay, now before we begin, let's set up the restriction for our domain. So in this case, I'm going to make sure that our domain is the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So x squared plus 7x plus 12 cannot be equal to 0. So we factor this out, and then we can conclude that x cannot be equal to something. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and draw a square and divide this square into 4 small square. And for the top left corner of my 2 by 2 box here, I'm going to put the leading term with x squared, and in the bottom right corner I'm going to put 12. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply x squared and 12, so that will give us 12x squared. Then go ahead and try to find the factor, and make sure that the sum of the factor have to be equal 7x. Now 12 would be 4 times 3. So it will be 4x times 3x. That give us 12x squared, and 4x plus 3x will give us 7x. Next I'm going to go ahead and put the 4x and the 3x inside these two boxes. Now for each row, I'm going to go ahead and find the greatest common factor. So for row 1, x squared and 4x, the greatest common factor is x. For row number 2, the 3x and the 12, the greatest common factor is 3. Now let's go to the column. So I'm going to take the inside, the term inside, divide by the greatest common factor outside. So x squared divided by x will give us x. And you can check x times x is x squared. 4x divided by x will give us 4. So 4, so you can check 4 times x will give you 4x. And then here you can check again, you say 3x divided by 3 will give you x, and 12 divided by 3 will give you 4. So therefore the factors are x plus 3 times x plus 4. So this means that x cannot be equal to 3, or x cannot be equal to negative 3 or negative 4. So now when you go back and continue here. So here the next step we're going to do is that we are going to remove the parentheses. I'm draw the lines. Okay, so to remove the parentheses for our numerator, so that will give us x squared minus 2x plus 3. Now when you remove the parentheses, it means that you will have to distribute negative 1 with each one of the 3 terms inside the second polynomial or trinomial. So that will give us negative x squared plus 4x plus 5. And for the denominator, I'm go ahead and write them down as a factor. So we will have a factor of x plus 3 times x plus 4. Now we are going to continue to simplify the numerator. So now x squared minus x squared is gone. So these are like term, and if we add them up, it'll be gone. So the next like term will be the negative 2x and the 4x. So that will give us 2x And 3 plus 5, so this will give us 8. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy down the factor again for our denominator. Next, look at the numerator. We have two terms, 2x and the 8. The greatest common factor for the 2x and the 8 will be just 2, so we have 2. And then inside, we'll take each one of the given term divided by 2, so 2x divided by 2 give us x, 8 divided by 2 give us 4. Copy down the factors of our denominator again. Now we are going to divide the common factor. So x plus 4 from the numerator and x plus 4 from the denominator is be gone. So therefore our final answer is just 2 over x plus 3. And where x cannot be equal to -3 or -4. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye. Make sure you write out the summary.